All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007420, State versus Mark Log. Could I have parties announced?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Ashley Compton for Mr. Locke.
And are you Mr. Log?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes, I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. This is an application.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Mr. Log, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Mr. Log, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's an application for community supervision and the state is recommending community supervision. There's no application for deferred adjudication. There's to be a judgment satisfied in 2025 PF 20911, ignition interlock, driver's license suspension, DWI intervention, the MRT, you're to forfeit the firearm. There's to be a TAP evaluation and follow all recommendations of the TAP. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state?
Your Honor, I'm sorry, you might have wrote it down on here.
Mhm.
What are the amount of the years?
8.
Okay, yes.
Okay. All right. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be 200 hours community service restitution, and you're to take all medications as prescribed. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state?
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state exhibit number 1 with office.
No objection.
All right. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. Court is finding there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We're asking to do so, yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I would just ask that the court follow the plea bargain agreement.
All right, sir, do you have any children or grandchildren?
No, ma'am, I don't have any children.
Who do you have as a support system?
My wife, Victoria Ann Locke,
Okay.
and my mother, Mary Locke.
All right. And before this happened, were you employed?
No, I'm 100% disabled veteran.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment or disability within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or minors. So if you provide your disability that you're 100% disabled, then of course there will be no employment. So one of the two needs to be provided to probation within 45 days of your release. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Judgment satisfied in cause number 2025 PF 20911. And with regards to the judgment satisfied, that cause number is not heard by me. So wherever that cause number is, they'll have to calculate the number of days you've been in jail and give you that exact number of days in jail for it to be judgment satisfied. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Ignition interlock until further notice. A 2-year license suspension. DWI education course. Victim impact panel live. In custody, this is what I want done. I want a referral to felony drug court counsel. That should be completed soon. And also referral to Veterans Treatment Court. If you'll contact either Veterans Treatment Court or felony drug court to see which one can see him sooner. Ms. Abrams, can you help her reach out to Herman?
Judge, I can do that. We just can't have two referrals open at the same time.
Okay, so felony drug court, they'll probably be able to see him maybe this week. Veterans Treatment Court, that usually takes longer.
Would that hang him up as far as remaining in custody?
Well, Veterans Treatment Court, because they do it very quickly, I'm gonna have him in custody until that's completed. With the Veterans Treatment Court, that can be done out of custody because that takes longer.
So given that he's 100% disabled and he is a veteran, judge, I would ask the court to allow him to apply or be evaluated for that one first.
For Veterans Treatment Court,
Yes.
then he's gonna have to be in custody.
Oh, I thought you said he could apply out of custody. So you're
He's
saying
staying.
he's staying? in
Yeah,
custody.
for felony drug
Well,
court.
then whatever's the quickest.
All right, so we'll do felony drug court first. And if felony drug court doesn't accept him, then he can do Veterans Treatment Court out of custody. I just want him to get the treatment as quickly as possible.
Okay.
So,
So as far as, I've never had to do anything myself to get somebody into the
Well-
drug, to the drug treatment, the felony drug.
well, the
court.
drug court, all I have to do is sign a referral and I'm gonna sign that today.
Okay,
So he'll probably be seen this week because it's only Tuesday.
okay. So you don't need anything from me as far as
Yeah,
that.
the Veterans Treatment Court probation has said they will reach out to them. And that's just if he's not accepted into felony drug court. Sometimes felony drug court will say, hey, I think he's a better fit for Veterans Treatment Court, but that will just be decided at that time. So we're gonna do a referral for felony drug court in custody. If not accepted, then it will be Veterans Treatment Court out of custody. And there'll be a TAP evaluation out of custody. 200 hours of community service restitution. And again, you have to provide your disability with regards to that if there's some issues with his doing community service hours. I'm gonna want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Forfeit the firearm. And we'll do, Veterans Treatment Court should be able to address any mental health issues. Are you seeing a doctor at the Veterans Treatment Court?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, at Veterans Hospital?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right. So continued treatment at the VA
Yes, ma'am.
for mental health.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, is there anything else?
And then I also want to know, do you want him to do the DWI education or intervention?
DWI intervention. And field visits one time per month for 6 months. Thank you. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
All right. We can go off the record. Oh, no, not off the record just yet. So I know this is a lot for you, but this is what I want you to understand. You're going to be out of custody before the week is out because felony drug court will have done their evaluation before then.
Okay.
If for some reason felony drug court, they'll contact probation or they'll contact me and they'll let me know that they think you're more suitable for Veterans Treatment Court. And then what will end up happening, if that's the case, you'll be released from custody and you'll have to make sure that you make all of their appointments because Veterans Treatment Court is completely different from probation. And they'll give you a date of when to show up and they're real good about having a case manager so they can contact you. If for some reason Veterans Treatment Court said, no, he's not a good fit with us, then you're going to have to do a TAP evaluation with probation. That is another different date. But in this court, probation is very good about contacting you and saying, this is the date of your TAP. So don't think just because you've done one, that means you don't have to do anything else. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And if for some reason there's confusion, you're in or probation's in about what you need to do, just let them know you're confused. If you feel they're not helping with that, you can always come back to court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Because the state wants you to succeed, I want you to succeed, and your attorney wants you to exceed at this probation, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, thank you so much. I like your shirt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, Rashawn, are you able to go over this with him now or?
It'll be after the, they'll hold them for me.
All right.